It's got style, it's got grace. This Victorian style faucet has all the details I would want in a modern farmhouse bathroom vanity sink. It's first of all really high quality. Everything's really beautifully manufactured, very precise, great mechanics, and these knobs are just fun to turn. Like, look how cute they are. And look at the beautiful little bevels around the edges there, the little detail in the circle, like this. This is stunning. And the shape of the neck here is a little bit different than the typical either straight out and then down or the like just even arch. This just has like a cool little design flair to it. Beautiful sink faucet. Would be great in a bathroom like this, but also in like a butler's pantry or a laundry room, you name it.